If you've been refreshing your feed, hoping for a surprise holiday drop of the DJI Avata 360, I have some bad news: the silence is deafening. We're used to DJI ending the year with a bang, but this December? Absolute ghost town. And for a company that runs like clockwork, that is weird. So, what is actually going on? Here is the reality check. Usually, we see a teaser about a week out, typically for a Tuesday or Thursday launch. We looked at December 16th and 18th, and nothing. With those dates in the rearview mirror, the window for a 2025 release has officially slammed shut. My sources in Shenzhen are telling a different story now. We are looking at a strategic delay pushing us into January 2026. And the reason isn't technical glitches, it's a chess move. DJI is reportedly reacting to the hype surrounding the anti-gravity A1 drone. If you missed the drama, the anti-gravity A1 launched earlier this month on December 4th. They rushed their timeline to beat DJI to market, and now that those units are in people's hands, DJI is watching the feedback like a hawk. They don't want to just release a 360 drone, they want to release the better one. If DJI sticks to their usual playbook for January, keep your eyes peeled around January 9th or 11th for a teaser. If we don't see anything by then, we're waiting longer. Now for some better news. If you're waiting on the handheld side of things, the Osmo Pocket 4 is safe. It's already cleared the FCC hurdles, which means regulatory drama isn't slowing it down. Here's the scoop: we are getting two models. The standard Pocket 4 is on track for a January arrival. But if you are holding out for the Pocket 4 Pro, the one rumored to have that dual camera setup, you're going to need more patience. That model isn't cancelled, but it's pushed back to a late spring window, likely after April. So standard now, Pro later. Finally, we need to talk about the elephant in the room, the FCC covered list. I've seen the panic in the comments, people selling their gear because they think their drones are about to get bricked. Please stop. Take a breath. Here is the bottom line: this ruling applies to future imports. It does not, I repeat, does not, apply to the drones sitting in your backpack right now. Your Mavic 4 Pro, your Air 3S, your Mini 5 Pro, they are not going to fall out of the sky. They aren't going to be grounded by a firmware update. You can still fly them, you can still register them with the FAA, and you can still buy them on Amazon or eBay. Do not panic sell your gear for a loss. If anything, the value of existing legal DJI drones might actually go up on the used market if new models become harder to import. Keep flying, enjoy your gear, and I'll update you the second that Avata teaser actually drops. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one.